You open your phone to check one thing. 40 minutes later, you're still scrolling, and you can't even remember what you opened it for. That's not a bad habit. That's your brain being rewired. Here's something that should scare you. A scientist at UC Irvine has been measuring human focus for almost 20 years. In 2004, people could focus on a screen for about 2.5 minutes before switching. By 2012, it dropped to 75 seconds. Today, 47 seconds. Let that sink in. In under 20 years, human focus collapsed from 2.5 minutes to under a minute. And it's still falling. It gets worse. Every time something interrupts you, a notification, a quick glance at your phone, it takes your brain an average of 23 minutes to fully refocus. 23 minutes from one glance. Now think about how many times a day you glance. Most people never actually reach deep focus. Not even once all day. So what actually broke? One word. Dopamine. Dopamine is the chemical that makes you want things. It drives you to chase, to work, to focus. And every app on your phone is built to flood you with it. Every scroll, every like, every short video, a tiny hit, then another, then another. Here's the problem. Your brain has a normal level of dopamine. Think of it like a baseline. Every quick hit spikes you above that line. Feels great for a second. But what goes up must come down. And every spike drops you a little lower than where you started. So your baseline sinks. Now here's the scary part. When your baseline is low, normal life stops feeling good. Reading feels boring. Work feels painful. A conversation feels slow. Because compared to a screaming, flashing phone, real life is quiet. Your brain isn't broken. It's just been trained to need more and more just to feel normal. That's why you can't focus. Not because you're lazy. Because your reward system is fried. But here's the good news. It's fixable. Your brain can rebuild. Scientists call it neuroplasticity, a fancy word for one simple truth. Your brain changes based on what you feed it. Feed it chaos, it becomes chaos. Feed it focus, it rebuilds focus. Here's the protocol. It's strict, but it works. Step 1. The first morning hour. The moment you wake up, no phone. No scrolling in bed, no notifications. Nothing. This is when your brain sets its dopamine tone for the entire day. Flood it the second you open your eyes, and you've already lost. Give it one calm hour first. Water, sunlight, maybe a walk. Boring? Yes. That's the point. Step 2. Kill the easy hits. For the next few days, no short videos, no endless scrolling, no jumping between 10 apps. I won't lie to you. It's going to feel awful. You'll feel restless, bored, twitchy. That feeling is the withdrawal. It means it's working. Push through it. It fades in a few days. Step 3. Make boredom your training ground. Here's what nobody tells you. Focus isn't built by doing hard things. It's built by sitting through boring things without escaping. So pick one task. 1. Set a timer. 25 minutes. When your hand reaches for the phone, and it will, don't grab it. Just sit. Stay. Finish. That discomfort? That's your focus growing back. Step 4. Give your brain slow rewards. Fast dopamine wrecked you. Slow dopamine heals you. Exercise, reading, real conversations, time outside, finishing something hard. These don't spike you. They rebuild you. Slowly, steadily, permanently. Do this for a few weeks and something strange happens. A cup of coffee tastes better. A walk feels amazing. A book actually pulls you in. That's not magic. That's your brain coming back to life. Look, nobody's coming to save your focus. The apps won't stop. The notifications won't slow down. The whole system is built to keep you hooked. So the only person who can fix this is you, starting with the next hour. Save this video and tell me in the comments, how many times did you check your phone while watching this? Be honest.